Opisyal nang nagsanib puwersa ang National Capital Region Athletic Association at ang inyong PTV na siyang bago po nitong tahanan. Si Paolo Salamati ng PTV Sports sa report.
Opisyal nang nilagdaan ng National Capital and Regional Athletic Association o NCRAA at ang PTV Sports Network ang isang Memorandum of Agreement na naglalayong palakasin ng ugnayan ng dalawang institusyon sa larangan ng pampalakasan.
Nanguna sa naganap na MOA signing sina PTNI General Manager Oscar Orbos at NCRAA General Manager Badian Carnado, kasama sina PTV Legal and Administrative Operations Head Attorney Pamela Parse at NCRAA Legal Counsel and Board Secretary Attorney Sam Viernes. Layunin ng kasunduang ito na mabigyan ng mas malawak na plataforma ang mga batang atleta mula sa iba't ibang paaralan upang maipamalas ang kanilang galing at talento sa pamamagitan ng live coverage ng mga magaganap na laban.
I always go back to what sports is insofar as national building is concerned. That sports actually reflects what are needed in nation building. That's teamwork, unity, perseverance, focus on all the essentials that we need to grow a nation. So we are engaged in sports. It means that we are engaged in nation building.
Masaya namang ibinahagi ni Encarnado kung gaano kalaki para sa kanilang liga ang makasaysayang pakikipag-ugnayan sa PTV Sports Network ngayong season.
This will be a good addition because the players themselves will now be motivated further, knowing fully well that their games will now be covered by PTV4, whose network is so huge that from Apari to Hulo, they can be seen. And therefore, this is one aspect that I am so glad to be an initiator. Of course, you know, it takes two to tango with your head, Attorney Oka or boss. I'm so blessed because we share the same vision.
Simula ngayong season, mapapanood na ang mga laro ng 10 paaralan mula sa NCRAA. Tuwing Lunes, Miyerkules at Biyernes mula 6 p.m. hanggang 10 p.m. live na mapapanood sa PTV Sports Network. Ako po si Paolo Salamatin para sa Atletang Pilipino, para sa Bagong Pilipinas.